G Deep Fill Washer Troubleshooting Frequently Asked Questions. How do I reset my G Deep Fill Washer? To reset your GE Deep Fill Washer, unplug it for at least 1 minute. Then plug it back in and open and close the lid 6 times within 12 seconds. This should reset the washer and clear any error codes. Why is my GE washer not filling with water? Your GE washer might not be filling with water due to a clogged water inlet valve, kinked hoses, or a problem with the water supply. Check these components and ensure they are functioning properly. How do I fix a G washer that won't spin? If your GE washer won't spin, check the lid switch, belt, and motor. Make sure the lid is closed properly. If needed, replace the faulty component to resolve the issue. What does the Deep Fill option do? The Deep Fill option on your GE washer adds extra water to the wash cycle. This option is useful for large or heavily soiled loads, ensuring better cleaning performance. Conclusion: solving issues with your GE Deep Fill washer can be simple. Check common problems and follow basic troubleshooting steps. Regular maintenance helps prevent future issues. Proper care extends the washer's life. If problems persist, contact GE customer support. They can provide professional assistance. Keep your washer running smoothly with these tips. Enjoy hassle-free laundry days. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.